got one of Greg's dress socks. I'm not doing anything about it. Lucy's trying to scratch her bottom. The puppy won't let her. That puppy is so hyper. Oh, this basket's moving I'm leaning up against. I was comfortable until it moved. Cupid! He's like, it's driving me crazy, nobody's playing with me. Lacey's on the very top of the couch. That's all I keep it to do, just try to jump up there. Cupid! Oop, there she goes. She's like, no, wait a minute, I can get on top of this thing. Just don't know how yet. She's just looking at it and, like, you know, she's like, I know I can get on that. What you smelling for? You better not pee in the floor. Oh, you just flopped down. Okay. She is like a bear rug or something when she lays down.